We all love a sweet treat at the end of the day, or an energy boost to get through the endless tasks which comes with taking care of a home, family, a job, pets, preparing food, gardening, whatever the case may be. You might need just that quick boost of energy to sustain you as you get through your workload for the day. And it gives me great peace of mind to know that I have in the freezer at all times energy balls. And energy balls they have it all when it comes to nutrition. They're so packed with simple ingredients, yet highly nutritious ingredients. Prior to making them, you have to treat the ingredients in a very specific way, or prepare them in a specific way. And the ingredients I include are very simple. In these are a range of seeds, nuts, dates, and if you pre-soak them the night before, you're going to assist the body when it comes to digesting the food, absorbing the nutrition from the food, assimilating the food around the body, and ultimately with the final elimination of what's not needed by the body will transition through the body with ease once they're prepared in a specific way. So I'm going to go through that step by step in a few moments, and hopefully you'll be inspired or take that step to making your own highly nutritious, energy packed protein balls. I used to buy these in the shop, and I found they were just so expensive. A packet of 2 of these in Ireland now costs €4.50. So that's very, very pricey, and you can see here how many I can make, and I've been eating out of these for the last 2 weeks. So I make quite a sizable amount, and I keep them in the freezer, take them out about 10 to 20 minutes before you eat them, and you have a lovely fresh protein ball. In separate bowls, soak the nuts, seeds and dates overnight. Rinse and strain them the following day and keep them in a strainer until you need to use them. The same with the seed mix, sunflower and pumpkin. Keep the dates in the soap water. You will also need almond butter, raw organic carrot powder, chia seed, buckwheat grains which have been soaked, sprouted and dehydrated. To combine everything together, you will need a hand mixer. And finally, you will need a food processor. So once you have all your ingredients set out, you are ready to make protein balls. Add the nuts to a food processor and blend them or pulse them until they are of a coarse consistency. Add this mixture to a large mixing bowl. Now, because you've soaked quite a sizable amount of nuts, you might have to do this over a few batches. This will ensure that the nuts are blended or pulsed to an even consistency. Scoop them all into the mixing bowl and do the same again with the seed mix of sunflower and pumpkin seed. So many health benefits to seeds. The pumpkin seeds are so rich in zinc and omega-3 fats, which help regulate insulin levels, and they also aid with sleep. While the sunflower seeds are great for the heart, the brain, the nervous system, and they're full of healthy fats and proteins and fibre. So combine the nuts and seeds well in the mixing bowl in a strainer, or using a sieve. I would separate the dates from the soap water, and remember to reserve the soap water, you will need this later. So to my food processor, I once again add the dates, and again you might have to do this in batches. To the dates, I'm going to add in 6 heaped tablespoons of chia seed. And again, the chia seed are so high in fibre, full of calcium and good for your bones and to lower cholesterol, and they help you to heal and repair. To this mixture, I'm going to add 2 heaped tablespoons of almond butter. And almonds again are great for the heart and great to balance your cholesterol levels. And you'll see that I'm from a cold climate, so it's hard to actually get the nut butter out of the jar, but if you're in a warm climate it should liquefy and that wouldn't be a problem. So again, you're aiming for 2 heaped tablespoons of almond butter or any nut butter of your choice. To this mix, I'm going to add half a cup of carob powder, raw organic carob powder. And again, lots of health benefits to raw carob powder. Blend the mixture in the food processor until you create a paste-like consistency. Add 1 cup of buckwheat grains to the mixing bowl. Add the date paste to the mixing bowl. And as mentioned, you're doing this in batches, so once all the date paste is blended, add the entire amount to the mixing bowl, which already has the ground nuts and ground seeds. And then finally with your hand blender, you're going to work for a few minutes to combine the paste mixture with the soaked nuts and seeds. So work the hand blender around the mixing bowl thoroughly until they're all covered and coated with the date paste. And that is the basis of your protein ball mixture. You can place this mixture into the fridge for an hour or a few hours or even overnight. This will help with the final step of making the protein balls, as it will allow you to shape them more easily. Just take out a tablespoon of the mixture, roll it between your two hands until you form a ball, and then take that little protein ball and again roll it on a plate of desiccated coconut flakes. And there you have it, a fabulous, highly packed, nutrient-dense treat to enjoy at any time of the day. Transfer the protein balls to a container and you can store them in the fridge for up to a week. And you can also place them into the freezer and they will last from anywhere to a month to 6 months, and you'll have them on hand whenever you need an energy boost or just to enjoy a delicious, healthy, raw treat. So I hope you're inspired and that you give it a go and you enjoy this nutrient-dense, power-packed, energized protein ball.